Welcome back, money makers. I'm so glad you guys are still rocking with me. We are we're less than 50 subscribers away from being 400 subscribers. Let's get that. Let's get these subscriptions up. Let's get this money that you guys are going to get over the next 2 months and not at the end of October and November. If you guys have not started yet, you can create your Halloween TikTok channel, submit it to me. It needs to be at least 10 views. I mean, it needs to be at least 10 videos and at least 50 views on each of the 10 videos. So go ahead and get started now for a chance to win $50. And then also, we have our Thanksgiving cash giveaway that's coming out at the end of November, to be exact, November 26th. But you must start a YouTube channel, get 25 subscribers, and get 100 videos, and each of the videos must be 100 views at least. If you can do that, you'll get $125. So altogether, over the next 2 months, you'll have a chance of winning $175. So get started and don't be late to submitting those views. I have them on my community channel, so go ahead and do that. But today I want to talk to you about LykStage. So you can get views and get money for creating different content and having different ads in your content. So this is for creators and viewers. You never seen a particular website that rewards viewers, have you before? Usually, these platforms reward creators for actually creating good content, and then YouTube or TikTok pushes the algorithm pushes the content out for more viewers to see, and then they get more subscribers and clicks and stuff like that. But this actually rewards viewers and creators, so you can earn anywhere between $84 up to $4,000 per month. And so basically, how it works, the algorithm dynamically evaluates each piece of content and the viewer's engagement to decide the optimal timing for ads, whether they appear in a pre roll, mid roll, post roll ads. The more ads that viewers watch, the higher the revenue for both creators and viewers. So, this is something that you do not want to miss out on. And for creators, it starts at 45 to 70%. The cut creators make the total revenue generated on the video, and then for viewers, at least get 30% of the cut, whatever the monetization scales is for that particular video, of how much ever you're going to make for that. Of the remaining revenue after creator split is left from the viewer. You earn from the pool based on your watch time units consumption. So you never seen Luke K stage. You never seen a website where viewers and creators can actually earn money. That's very fortunate in the times and needs of this tough economy. So I highly recommend that you guys go ahead and start creating content. And if you don't want to create content, then also you can just view the actual creator's content to start actually making money. Anywhere from 84 to $4,000 per month you can make. Make sure that if you are a creator, you are creating good content, so those ads can be placed into your, videos. And then once those ads are placed into the videos, you can start earning money from there. And then for on the flip side, the viewers, if you are watching their content, you can watch as much up to 6 hours of content. The more content you watch and more ads you watch, the more money you can get as the viewer of the creator's content. So it works both ways. That's why I said this is really a good content. One of my friends told me about this, and he has earned over $4,000 per month. So he's doing really good with this. I'm not going to put his name out because he doesn't want me to put his name out like that. But he's making really good money from this particular LykStage website. So if you haven't heard about it, go ahead and sign up as a creator or as an individual. They'll let you either one as an individual or a business. But let me know if you like this. Make sure to go ahead and join the cash giveaway for either the Halloween TikTok challenge or the Thanksgiving. You can enter both. There's no limitations. You'll get money at the respective times that I say on my community posts. and then also start earning money from LykStage if you want to start as a creator or on a business. And I highly recommend that you start creating an account for this so you can boost your YouTube channel so you can get those organic views since if you are gonna be entering those contests. So it's actually you kill two birds in one stone. Go ahead and sign up with this if you are obviously if you want to join the Thanksgiving YouTube contests. You want to get those views up so you can get your 25 subscribers. Because the more views you get, the algorithm likes and pushes out your content, and then that way you'll be able to get those subscribers in no time. Getting 25 subscribers in over 2 months shouldn't be that difficult, but it can take some time. So that's why highly suggest that you go ahead and sign up for this. But other than that, have a good day.